Good morning, all of you. Today we will study about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. There are two major types of cell, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Let us begin with prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are the simplest and most ancient type of cells. Prokaryotic cells are much smaller than eukaryotic cells. They have a very simple structure and this allows them to reproduce very quickly and very effectively. Let us look at the structure of prokaryotic cells. Pro means before or primitive and karyon means nucleus. So the name of prokaryotic means before nucleus. The nucleus of this cell is not well organized. The nuclear material are not surrounded by nuclear membrane. These cells do not have a true nucleus. In prokaryotic cells, these are no membrane-bound organelles, but they have ribosomes. These contain a cell wall which surrounds the plasma membrane. Prokaryotic cells have one or more flagella which is used for movement. The organisms with these kind of cells are called prokaryotes, for example bacteria and blue-green algae. Now let us take a look at eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells came into existence after billions of years. Eu means true and karyon means nucleus. So the name eukaryotic means true nucleus. Eukaryotic cells have well organized nucleus with nuclear membrane. They have membrane bound organelles. These are larger and much more complicated than prokaryotic cells. Organisms with these kind of cells are called eukaryotes. For example, all organisms other than bacteria and blue-green algae. Let us now compare prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell through a Venn diagram. Let us begin with the common properties of the two cells. Both have DNA as their genetic material. Both have ribosomes, cytoplasm and a plasma membrane. Now let us look at their differences. Prokaryotic cells are the oldest type of cells. They are small and simple. Eukaryotic cells evolved from prokaryotic cells. They are larger and more complex. Prokaryotic cells lack nucleus as well as membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells have a well-organized nucleus and also membrane-bound organelles. Prokaryotes are single-celled organisms while eukaryotic can be both single-celled or multicellular. That's all for today. To better understand the topic, please practice the following questions.